Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the Walmart Debit Visa gift card, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add it into our PayPal app as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, I want to let you know this is actually different than the Walmart prepaid debit Visa card. This is a gift card. So basically what it is, you just buy this at a local Walmart. I bought this one in Orange County. Once you buy this card, you can load cash, green cash onto it one time. You can't keep reloading money onto it. But once you do that and then it's registered, then you can use it at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. But can you use it on your PayPal app as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my PayPal app. It's this blue and white one right here. If you don't have the PayPal app or you don't have a Walmart debit Visa gift card, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up my PayPal app, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, usually at the top, you're going to see other PayPal users that you've interacted with. So you've paid somebody or they've sent you money. Next, you're going to see your PayPal balance. And lastly, you can see the recent activity, so any kind of transactions you sent out or people have sent to you. But we're not going to worry about that. If you want to try to add your Walmart debit Visa gift card into your PayPal app as a payment method, you want to click this little button up here on the top right. It's this little gear icon. Once you click there, another drop-down menu is going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then here on this screen, you can do a couple of different things. You can update your personal information on your PayPal app. You can message back and forth with PayPal here. You can update your payment preferences. But if you want to go ahead and try to add a Walmart debit Visa gift card into your PayPal, you want to click right here where it says banks and cards. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then it's going to bring up this screen called banks and cards. And it's on this screen that you can see all the different payment methods that you have associated with your PayPal account. So for me, you can see I just have my Chase account attached to my PayPal account. But if you want to try to add a Walmart gift card into your PayPal app, you want to go ahead and click right here on the top right. It's this little black button with a cross on it, or maybe it's a plus sign. Once you click there, another drop-down menu is going to happen. So I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up. So you have two options here. One is to add a bank account. Next is to add a debit or credit card. This is a Walmart gift debit card, so I'm going to click the second line now. All right, next you have these three options. It looks like on the top you can link a card manually. That's what I'm going to choose. But you can also choose one of these where it says quickly link the cards issued by your bank. I'm not too sure what that is. I've never used that function, so I'm just going to click the top line now. All right, next PayPal is asking for the 16-digit Walmart gift debit card number, so I'm going to enter that information in off screen now. All right, I went ahead and entered that information in, and this blue line right here pops up. It's called next. It's a button. I'm going to click there now. All right, next they're asking for the expiration date and security code from the Walmart debit Visa gift card, so I'm going to enter that in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered that in, and next they're asking me to verify the billing address for the Walmart gift debit Visa card. Usually they're going to ask for the address that you registered the card with, which is normally your mailing address or possibly your home address. So I checked the address they're pulling up from my PayPal account, and it matches up. As long as yours matches up, I'm going to click this blue button right here at the bottom called link card. I'm going to click there now. All right, just a few moments later, this screen pops up again that shows the different payment methods associated with the PayPal account. And it looks like, yes, you can add your Walmart debit gift card into your PayPal app as a payment method. As you can see, I have this little Visa prepaid now in my account. I did verify the last 4 digits that are on the app with the 4 digits that are on this plastic card that I have here. So if you were not able to add your Walmart debit Visa gift card into your PayPal app for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But one thing I do want to let you know is you do need to register your Walmart debit Visa gift card in order to be able to use this online normally. So if it's not being added, try registering it first, then trying it again. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.